David with entry number 510, coming at you here at Dhobi Ghat Station. Apologies for the sun, but can't really be helped at the moment. Had a really nice full day today. I'm going to try and get in this corner over here in the back of the station and see if the sun doesn't improve, or the lighting, I suppose. Correct. Had a pretty good day today. It's nice and clean. Sitting on this granite ledge. Walked a lot. So typically, when you have Prada here, you get either it's a flatbread, right? So it's unleavened, and you typically either get a very flaky, like I said before, you make it very, very, very thin, like Kleenex, then you fold it in on itself a few times in a couple different ways, and you kind of shallow fry it on a griddle, and that's very good, right? But you can also get it crispy. And today I went close to where I went to when I got Prada last time, in an area called Upper Thompson, and I got it today crispy. And there's two different places quite near each other that serve very different Prada, and it was very good, as expected. The gravy wasn't as flavorful as the other place, but it is very good. I noticed going back and watching a couple of these videos from Singapore that I'm squinting a lot, and that's because right now the sun's coming from this direction, and it is in a very, very, very intense sun. I don't know really in the US if we get sun this intense. I suppose somewhere like Las Vegas, or oh my god, there it goes, look at that, Las Vegas, or maybe Death Valley, but because we're so close to the equator and the way the world is oriented, the world, I mean the globe, I mean, you know, Earth, it just beats you down here, like no joke. Like look at that, I mean that is intense. And it is hot. It's real hot. The last couple days I haven't been able to really record outside because it's been raining pretty intensely. Yesterday my shoes got soaked, and I had to go in early because of the rain. It was very, very intense for about an hour and a half. Yeah, the weather's been not optimal, but it's been fine. The humidity is always pretty rough. Today was okay, and then it got bad, so right now it's pretty bad. But you know, typically days here are pretty good. Yeah, I'm kind of near Orchard Road, which is, like I've mentioned before, the big shopping area around here. And yeah, it's just wacky seeing how much money is thrown around in Singapore. You kind of have an idea in your head about kind of Singapore and its kind of infamy or fame, and you really don't get a perspective of that until you're actually here and see kind of how money is thrown about here, like it's quite disposable. And I guess for many Singaporeans it is simply a disposable object. But you know, there are quite a few people here also that are maybe not as well off, and that's definitely apparent in some areas, especially when you get to see as much of the city as kind of I have walking around. You do see there are areas that are quite dirty, or you know, are not as affluent. Oh my, look at that sun, that is just intense. Like right now, it is, I'll have to move because it is crazy. I apologize also if it's hard to hear because of the there's a large refrigeration or AC unit near me, and it's kind of loud. And also the road is to my left, so I'll try and get in some shade. Oh my god, like good luck. I mean, if you're not a big sun person, this country really isn't for you, because it really just beats down here. Like I've never experienced anything like it before in my life. Sorry about that rough bounce. I went down some stairs. Here we go. Now this is more like it. But yeah, sun extremely intense, and yeah, I don't know. It's pretty wicked. pretty wicked stuff. So yeah, I did a lot of walking today, and gonna head back. It's around 4:30, so that's a pretty full day. I left at around 9:30, so yeah, it's a pretty full day of walking. I won't get back for another hour, 10 minutes or so. So anyway, that's about it. I had to buy another notebook for my food journal because my other one yesterday was sadly ruined in the rain, in the deluge of rain. So that one's toast, and I'll have to rewrite a new one, which is fine. I don't really mind. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll leave you with this site. This giant unit here, this big, you can kind of see it through the grates, is a AC unit for one of the AC units for one section of the station, the underground subway. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll talk with you in a couple days. Bye.